Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant Error Code 29. It's easy if you want to fix it. All you have to do first click here and type services. After that, once you're here, scroll down until you find VGC. Right click on VGC and click properties, and then make it automatic, and after that click apply and OK, and then if you find here start, just click on it, and if you find restart, just restart it, and that's it. After that, just close it and go to device manager, and now go to network adapters and make sure to update all those drivers here one by one until the last one, and that's it. You will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.